Hey guys, welcome back to Southern Balance. Today we're going to visit with one of my flea market friends. This is Markus. Markus sells anime products. So Markus, why don't you tell us about your stuff?
Alright, so we got a lot of stuff here, a lot of pop culture things. Of course, we got the Marios, Pokemon, all the really good things. A lot of other stuff, pop culture stuff. Also have a lot of anime keychains.
Okay.
We have My Hero Academia, Naruto. I had Dragon Ball Z stuff, but Dragon Ball Z sells a lot.
Okay.
Also have the figures right here also. Figures are always the best thing to have because, I mean, you go here and you get something to look at your shelf wise, everything looks good, so it looks amazing.
Yeah, no, they're pretty cool looking actually. They really are.
Look, we have pop figures, so pop figures will never go away anytime soon. I don't believe pop figures are going anywhere as far as popularity goes.
Yeah, you got a lot of big selection there, huh?
Oh yeah, for sure, for sure.
Do these change a lot? Do you get different ones in?
Oh, all the time. I get every few weeks I get some new ones in. I personally don't know which one I'm getting, but when I do have them, I always put them out.
Okay,
sure.
That's cool.
So I have lots of like Marvel stuff, Rick and Morty, of course, Pokemon. Dragon Ball Z is always the best thing ever.
Okay, what is this down here?
Now we also have Pokemon cards also. So I got the cheap ones here, they're $2, and I got the ones here at different prices.
Okay.
Always good to have a collection for you, especially if you're starting to like Pokemon or just get into the whole series. Pokemon cards are one of the best things you guys should go buy.
Okay.
Also, Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I mean, if you're feeling nostalgic or feeling like very awesome back in the day, I used to play Yu-Gi-Oh way back in the day. So this is like really nostalgic for me. I also sell these too.
Okay.
Now this stuff is what I like to do. This is my personal thing I like to do is artwork.
Okay.
This is my pixel art. So I make pixel art from canvases, keychains, everything else that goes with it.
Okay. It's called pixel art?
Yes, pixel art.
So you put these guys together, you give them that look?
Yes, I give them that. It's literally one little bead at a time. One little bead takes everything together and it makes awesome pixel art.
Okay. Can you do special orders on those?
Always special order. I do this all the time. You guys will follow me on Instagram. Instagram, the Beadguy right here. Always the best way to follow me, send me a message, direct message, and we'll go from there. We'll go back and forth with pictures and make sure that what you want, I create for you, not a problem.
Okay, these are all very cool.
Thank you, thank you.
So you change these out regularly? You always have your own selection?
Every weekend I kind of bring something new. I actually made this one recently, the Goku versus Frieza. That one recently I've made. I always want to pick that up on Instagram because it's actually pretty cool. I like that one. Nobody buys it, I'm keeping it for myself.
Okay, so Markus, where is your booth in the market? Where are you?
Right now we're under the blue area with the first Trader Village.
The blue pavilion?
Yeah, blue pavilion. Once you come in, once you take to the left hand, once you park, just walk into your left hand side. I'm right here.
Okay, what's the name of your business?
Really, this is the Anime Beadguy, but of course my personal business is called the Beadguy.
The Beadguy. Okay. Okay, guys. So you met Markus. Goes by the Beadguy. He's located under the blue pavilion in the front of the market at Trader's Village in Houston, Texas. So come out and visit him if you're into anime products. Okay. Thank you, guys.